Who defines politics as the study of influence and the influential? आंसर कौन हम? ऑप्शन ए फ्रांस डी वाला, बी हारोल्ड लासोएल। तो आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी हारोल्ड लासोएल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन हिज बुक सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रूसो propounded the idea of option A rule by a king, B rule by majority, C legislative sovereignty, D popular sovereignty। तो आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी popular sovereignty। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, who coined the slogan educate, agitate and organize? ऑप्शन ए बी डी सावरकर, बी महात्मा गांधी, सी बी आर आम्बेडकर, डी राम मनोहर लोहिया। आंसर हो ऑप्शन सी बी आर आम्बेडकर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, अकॉर्डिंग टू Aristotle, when many well of people rule for greater wealth accumulation, the regime is A option A monarchy, B oligarchy, D democracy, D aristocracy। तो आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी oligarchy। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, the Durand line separates option A India and China, B India and Pakistan, C Pakistan and Iran, D Pakistan and Afghanistan। तो आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी Pakistan and Afghanistan। Question 6, the idea of perpetual peace is associated with option A Leo Tolstoy, B Immanuel Kant, C Martin Luther King, D Mahatma Gandhi। आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी Immanuel Kant। Question number 17, the notion of bureaucratic rationality तो आंसर जो comes from ऑप्शन ए सिडनी वर्बा, बी मास्क वेबर, डी डेविड ईस्टन, डी सामुएल हंटिंगटन। तो आंसर हो बी मार्क्स वेबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हाट इज नियो रियलिज्म? ऑप्शन ए एन अटेम्प्ट टू इग्नोर द अनप्लीजेंट रियलिटीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बी एन अटेम्प्ट टू restate the basic ideas of realism in a more scientific form। आंसर हो ऑप्शन सी, सॉरी ऑप्शन सी हो नन ऑफ दिस। तो कोट आंसर हम आ भितर? आंसर हम ना बी ऑप्शन बी हो राइट आंसर, एन अटेम्प्ट टू रीस्टेट द बेसिक आइडियाज ऑफ रियलिज्म इन ए मोर साइंटिफिक फॉर्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग थॉट ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एज ए होम फेवर? ऑप्शन ए गुइजट, बी कार्ल मार्क्स, सी सिस्मोंडी, डी सेंट साइमन। आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी कार्ल मार्क्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, who among the following said those who say that religion has nothing to do with politics do not know what religion means? कौन हम आंसर ना एम के गांधी कहते। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, who among the following criticized Marxian theory of surplus value? ऑप्शन ए एम एन रॉय, बी अरविंदो, सी सावरकर, डी जयप्रकाश नारायण। आंसर हो ऑप्शन A एम एन रॉय। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, द वर्ड डेमोस स्टैंड फॉर ऑप्शन ए पोजिशन, बी पावर, सी अथॉरिटी, डी पीपुल। आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी डेमोस मीन्स पावर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, डेमोक्रेसी रे द वर्ड क्रेसियो स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑप्शन ए पीपुल, बी पावर, सी गवर्नमेंट, डी स्टेट। आंसर हो ऑप्शन ए पीपुल, क्रेसियो मीन्स पीपुल। Question number 14, who said that democracy is a form of government in which everyone has a share? Option A Silly, B Herodotus, C Gettel, D none of this। Answer हो option C Gettel। Question number 15, who has said that constitution is the fundamental law of the state containing the principles on which government is founded? Option A Dicey, B Gettel, C Cooley, D Lord Bryce। आंसर होगा C Cooley। Question number 16, of the following which country has unwritten constitution? Option A UK, B USSR, C USA, D India। आंसर हो ऑप्शन ए UK। Question number 17, when do you think the Cold War can be said to have really begun? Option A between 1945 to 50, B depends on the historian, C the Russian evolution of 1917, D none of the above। आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी डिपेंड्स ऑन द historian। Question number 18. What was the major Cold War crisis? Option A. The Arab-Israel War. B. The Taiwan Straits crisis. C. The Cuban Missiles crisis. D. All of the above. Answer होगा option D. All of the above. Question number 19. What period is known as the Second Cold War? Option A. 1979 to 1986 होगा right answer. Question number 20. The WTO began in option A 1994, B 1993, C 1995, D none of this. Answer is option C 1995. Question number 21. How did World War II alter the global balance of power? Option A to the USSR, B to the USA, C from Germany to France, D none of this. Answer is option B to the USA. Question number 22. In what ways was the end of the Cold War significant? Option A. It marked the beginning of the rise of China. B. Important changes took place at the level of the nation state. C. It modified the rules for international organization. D. Both B and C. Answer is option D. Both B and C. Question number 23. Dash was the first political scientist of ancient India? Option A Nehru, B Gandhi, C Kautilya, D Manu. Answer is option C Kautilya. Question number 24. Dash is called the father of Indian Renaissance? Option A Kautilya, B B.R. Ambedkar, C Raja Rammohn Rai, D Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option C Raja Rammohn Rai. Question number 25. Kautilya's concept of society was found on dash prescription? Option A social, B cultural, C religious, D political. Answer is option C religious. Question 1. Which one is the supreme law of the land in USA? Option A general law, B constitutional law, C international law, D none of these. Answer is option B constitutional law. Question 2. Fascism as a theory originated in option A Russia, B Germany, C Italy, D none of this. Answer is option C Italy. Question 3. Commune system is a part of the political system of option A India, B China, C USA. Answer is option B China. Question 4. Who gave 3 dimensions of civil liberty concept? Physical freedom, freedom of movement, intellectual freedom. Option A John Dewey, B J.S. Mill, C Ernest Barker. Answer is option C Ernest Barker. Question 5. In the post-Soviet era, Russia's outlook at global level is marked by option A rigid ideological positions, B pragmatic de-ideologized world view. Answer is option B pragmatic de-ideologized world view. Question 6. The policy of containment formulated by the USA aimed at option A checking the nuclear proliferation of Iran, B checking globally the influence of the Soviet Union, C none of this. Answer is option B checking globally in the influence of the Soviet Union. Question 7. Who is the considered as pioneer in the education and emancipation of women in India? Option A Robert Cox, B Jyotiba Phule, B Meera Kosambi, D Pandita Ramabai. Answer is option D Pandita Ramabai. Question 80. Who said good government consists in the ruler being a ruler, the minister being a minister, the father being a father, and the son being a son? Option A John Locke, B Plato, C Kautilya, D Confucius. Answer is option D Confucius. Question 9. Positive liberty means option A freedom from slavery, B freedom as autonomy, C freedom from chains, D none of this. Answer is option B freedom as autonomy. Question 10. Which among the following is an advocate of a positive liberty? Option A. T.S. Green, B. Hobbes, C. Spencer, D. Marx. Answer is option A. T.S. Green. Question 11. Social welfare theory of rights is associated with option A. Marxist, B. Utilitarian, C. Idealist, D. None of these. Answer is option B. Utilitarian. Question 12. Who among the following has tried to establish a close link between justice and liberty? Option A. Liberals, B. Marxist, C. Individualist, D. None of these. Answer is option A. Liberals. Question 13. The Law Commission headed by Lord Macaulay to codify Indian laws was appointed in which of the following years? Option A. 1833, B. 1813, C. 1853, D. 1861. Answer is option A. 1833. Question 14. The Cabinet Mission Plan for India envisaged A. Option A. Confederation, B. Federation, C. Union of States, D. Unitary form of government. Answer is option C. Union of States. Question 15. Which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding anti-defection? Option A. 10th schedule, B. 5th schedule, C. 8th schedule, D. 2nd schedule. Answer is option A. 10th schedule. Question 16. In the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is included in the option A. Fundamental duties, B. Fundamental rights, C. Directive principles of state policy, D. Preamble to the Constitution. Option C. Directive principles of state policy. Question 17. Which among the following articles deal with the protection of environment and wildlife? Option A. Article 47, B. Article 48, Article 49, Article 48A. Answer is option D. Article 48A. Question 18. The concept of public interest litigation originated in option A. Canada, B. Australia, C. USA, D. UK. Answer is option C. USA. Question 19. Which one of the following does not take part in the elections of the President? Option A. Members of the Legislative Council, option B. Elected members of the Lok Sabha, C. Elected members of the Rajya Sabha. Answer is option A. Members of the Legislative Councils. Question 20. 19th Amendment concerns which of the following? Option A. Taxes on services, B. Anti-defection, C. Bodoland Territorial Council, D. Official languages. Answer is option C. The term Leninism was coined by option A. Stalin, B. Marx, C. Mao, D. Trotsky. Answer of A. Stalin. Question number 2. Who among the following presents a flow model of political science? Option A. Morton Kaplan, B. Oran Young, C. David Easton, D. Gabriel Almond. Answer of C. David Easton. Question 3. Which of the following countries have dual citizenship, national citizenship and state citizenship? Answer कौन होगा ना ऑप्शन ए इंडिया एंड यूएसए, बी इंडिया एंड स्विट्जरलैंड, सी यूएसए एंड यूके, डी स्विट्जरलैंड एंड यूएसए. आंसर अब स्विट्जरलैंड एंड यूएसए. Question 4. Who among the following termed Article 356 as a safety valve? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer is option D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 5. Martin Witt emphasized three philosophical traditions of international politics. They are option A. Radicalism, Realism, Religion, B. Neorealism, Neoliberalism, C. Realism, Liberalism and Marxism, D. Realism, Rationalism and Revolutionism. कोटा हम आंसर हम D. realism, rationalism and revolutionism. Question number 6. Who among the following is known as father of the Indian Constitution? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer of option C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? Option A 1969, B 1968, C 1971, D 1970. Answer habo A 1969. Question number 8. The objective of fundamental rights in our constitution is to provide option A social justice, B economic justice, C equality and freedom to all citizens, D better material conditions to the citizens. Answer is option C equality and freedom to all citizens. Question number 9. Who among the following has the final power to maintain order within the House of People? Option A Prime Minister, B President, C Speaker, D Marshal of the House. Answer haba C Speaker. Question number 10. How many members of the Lok Sabha must support a motion of no confidence in the government before it can be admitted by the Speaker? Option A 25, B 50, C 35, D 55. Answer hoji B 50. Question number 11. Separation of the judiciary from the executive is enjoined by option A preamble, B directive principle, C judicial decision, D 7th schedule. Answer haba B directive principle. Question number 12. The President of the Indian Union has the same constitutional authority as the option A President of USA, B British monarch, C President of USSR, D President of Egypt. Answer hoji option B British monarch. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? Option A to promote economic interest of weaker sections, B to raise the level of nutrition, C to develop the scientific temper, D to separate the judiciary from the executive. Answer of option C to develop the scientific temper. Question number 14. When the Lok Sabha is dissolved, the Speaker continues in office till a new option A Lok Sabha is formed, B Speaker is appointed by President, C government is formed, D Speaker is elected when the new house meets. Answer haba D Speaker is elected when the new house meets. When the Lok Sabha is dissolved, the Speaker continues in office till a new Speaker is elected when the new house meets. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a standing committee of the Parliament? Question number 15 ra answer haba answer कौन हो ना ऑप्शन ए एस्टिमेट्स कमिटी, बी कमिटी ऑन वेलफेयर ऑफ एससीज एंड एसटीज, सी कमिटी ऑन पब्लिक अंडरटेकिंग्स, डी कमिटी ऑन पब्लिक अकाउंट्स. आंसर हबा बी कमिटी ऑन वेलफेयर ऑफ एससीज एंड एसटीज. Question number 16. Which of the following states does not have a bicameral legislature? Option A Bihar, B Karnataka, C Rajasthan, D Maharashtra. Answer होगा option C Rajasthan. Question number 17. Minimum age required to contest for presidency is option A 25, B 30, C 35, D 40. Answer होगा 17 रा C 35. Question number 18. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? Option A Speaker, B Vice President, C Chief Justice, D Prime Minister. Answer option C Chief Justice. Question number 19. Who has the constitutional authority to decide tax share of states? Option A Finance Commission, B Finance Minister, C Union Cabinet, D Planning Commission. Answer option A Finance Commission. Question number 20. After retirement, a judge of a high court can undertake practice in option A lower court only, B. The same court. C. Wherever he intends to practice. D. Any other court except the same court. Answer of option D. Any other court except the same court. Question 1. Gandhi described himself as a option A. Socialist. B. Liberal. C. Social Democrat. D. Philosophical anarchist. Answer हो जाए ऑप्शन डी philosophical anarchist. Question 2. The major argument of neorealism of Kenneth Walsh is that option A. Structures are more important than actors. B. Actors play more crucial role than structures. C. None of these. Answer हो जाए ऑप्शन A. Structures are more important than actors. Question 3. Who said negative liberty is superior to positive liberty? Option A. T.S. Green. B. J.S. Mill. C. Isaiah Berlin. Answer हो जाए ऑप्शन C. Isaiah Berlin. Question 4. Positive liberalism does not believe in option A. Nanny state. B. Minimal state. C. Welfare state. D. None of these. Answer हो जाए ऑप्शन B. Minimal state. Question 5. The term ideology was first used in the year option A. 1797. B. 1798. C. 1792. D. None of these. Answer is option A. 1797. Question 6. Who among the following interpreted functionalism as an alternative approach to Marxism? Option A. Morton Kaplan. B. W.G. Runciman. C. None of these. Answer is option B. W.G. Runciman. Question 7. Which of the following committee recommended two-tier Panchayat Raj institutions? Option A. G.V.K. Rao Committee. B. R.R. Divakar Committee. C. Ashok Mehta Committee. D. None of these. Answer हो जाए ऑप्शन सी अशोक मेहता कमिटी. Question 8. The US approach to the Cold War was originally set out in option A. The Marshall Plan. B. Truman Doctrine. C. The Nixon Doctrine. Answer of option B. The Truman Doctrine. Question 9. Which one of the following definitions of rights is associated with T.S. Green? Option A. A right is a power claimed and recognized as a contributory to common good. B. A right is a reasonable demand for freedom to do certain things. C. None of the above. Answer is option A. A right is a power claimed and recognized as a contributory to common good. Question 10. The concept of justice in purely economic terms was popularized by option A. J.S. Mills. B. Engels. C. Adam Smith. Answer of option B. Engels. Question 11. Who said that political theory include political science and political philosophy? Option A. John Locke. B. George Carlin. C. Robert Nozick. D. None of the above. Answer of option B. George Carlin. Question 12. Who said political theory is a master science? Option A. Marx. B. Rousseau. C. Plato. D. Aristotle. Answer हो जाए D. Aristotle. Question 13. Which among the following is an advocate of negative liberty? Option A. Green. B. Marx. C. Rousseau. D. Montesquieu. Answer of option D. Montesquieu. Question 14. What Ramabai did for education of women? Option A. Satyagraha. B. Founded the Arya Mahila Samaj. C. Mass religion transformation. D. All of the above. Answer of B. Founded the Arya Mahila Samaj. Question 15. Who was the first Indian to join the Viceroy's Executive Council? Option A. K.T. Shah. B. Satyendra Prasad Sinha. C. W.C. Mukherjee. D. None of the above. Answer of option B, Satyendra Prasad Sinha. Question 16. The Government of India Act 1935 had option A 41 clauses and 15 schedules, B 301 clauses and 15 schedules, C 451 clauses and 15 schedules. Answer of option C, 451 clauses and 15 schedules. Question 17. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court gave a ruling that the preamble was a part of the Constitution? Option A, Golaknath case, B, Beruwari case, C, Sajan Singh case, D, Kesavananda Bharati case. Answer of option D, Kesavananda Bharati case. Question 18. According to the Constitution of India, which of the following are fundamental for the governance of the country? Option A, fundamental duties, B, fundamental rights, C, directive principles of state policy, D, both A and B. Option C, directive principles of state policy. Question 19. Who was the President of India at the time of proclamation of emergency in the year 1976? Option A, Giani Jail Singh, B, Bibi Giri, C, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, D, none of the above. Answer of option C, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Question 20. 0 hour in the Indian Parliament starts at option A, 12 noon, B, first hour of the sitting, C, last hour of the sitting. Answer of option A, 12 noon. Question 1. Which of the following is not one of the functional foremen who sit in the planning room as suggested by F.W. Taylor? Option A, route clerk, B, instruction card clerk, C, speed bus, D, none of the above. Answer of option C, speed bus. Question 2. Who among the following thinkers rejected the principles of administration as myths and proverbs? Option A, L. D. White, B, W. F. Willoughby, C, Chester Bernard, D, Herbert Simon. Answer of option D, Herbert Simon. Question 3. Which among the following groups was against any kind of political or social change? आउथर प्रश्न कहूँ, which among the following groups was against any kind of political or social change? Option A, conservatives, B, liberals, C, nationalists, D, radicals. Answer of A, conservatives. Question 4. The people who wanted to put an immediate end to the existing governments in Europe were called option A, liberals, B, revolutionaries, C, radicals, D, nationalists. Answer of B, revolutionaries. Question 5. Who wanted to build cooperative community called New Harmony in India? Option A, Robert Owen, B, Robert Owen, C, Robert Wade, D, Robert Lyon. Answer of B, Robert Owen. Question 6. Colonialism term is originated from the Latin word collier, which means option A, conquer, B, to inhabit, C, foreign rule, D, rule. Answer of B, to inhabit. Question 7. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in the year ऑप्शन ए 1907, बी 1908, सी 1909, डी 1919। आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी 1909। क्वेश्चन 8, who among the following made a significant contribution to theories of the interaction between social dominance and state power in contemporary India? Option A Myron Weiner, B Partha Chatterjee, C Partha Chatterjee, C Layard and Sachin Rudolph, D Francine R. Frankel and M.S.A. Rao. Answer of option D. Question 9. One can forget the death of one's father, but not the loss of patrimony. Who said this? Option A Lenin, B Hobbes, C Machiavelli, D Mao. Answer of option C Machiavelli. Question 10. Who used first time the word Cold War? Option A Bernard Baruch, B Morgenthau, C C.K. Webster, D Karl Dodge. Answer of option A Bernard Baruch. Question 11. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option A J.V. Kripalini, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C B.R. Ambedkar, D none of the above. Answer होची B Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 12. Which one of the following is rightly described as the Magna Carta of local government in India? Option A Mountbatten Plan 1947, B Montagu's Declaration 1917, Montagu's Declaration 1917, C Rippon's Resolution 1882, D CR Formula 1945. Answer of option C Rippon's Resolution 1882. Question 13. In the individual satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first satyagrahi. Who was the second? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C C Rajagopalachari, D Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer of option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 14. Which of the following two words were added in chronological order to the preamble through 42nd Amendment? Option A Socialist and Secular, B Socialist and Sovereign, C Secular and Socialist, D Sovereign and Secular. Answer of option A Socialist and Secular. Question 15. Under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A to develop a scientific temper, B to vote in public elections, C to safeguard public property, D to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Answer of option B to vote in public election is not a fundamental duty. Question 16. The right of education was added to fundamental rights in the Constitution of India through the option A Constitution Act, Constitution जो 86th Amendment Act 2002, B कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 86th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2002 2002 क्वेश्चन 17 द एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स डिपेंड्स मोस्टली अपॉन ऑप्शन ए पब्लिक कोऑपरेशन बी द कोर्ट्स सी रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल टू द गवर्नमेंट आंसर कौन होगा ऑप्शन सी रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल टू द गवर्नमेंट्स क्वेश्चन 18 which of the following bills was discussed in the Lok Sabha but was withdrawn before it could be discussed in the Rajya Sabha को बिल ना ऑप्शन ए बेनामी ट्रांजैक्शन बिल क्वेश्चन 19 द यूनियन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स इज कलेक्टिवली रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू ऑप्शन ए प्रेसिडेंट बी राज्यसभा सी प्राइम मिनिस्टर डी हाउस ऑफ द पीपुल आंसर ऑप्शन डी हाउस ऑफ द पीपुल क्वेश्चन 20 द 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल वाज पास्ड इन द ईयर ऑप्शन सी हूँ राइट आंसर 1976 द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स इज एट्रिब्यूटेड टू ऑप्शन ए जीन बोदिन बी मॉन्टेस्क्यू सी मैचियावेली डी मॉर्गेनथाउ तो आंसर हूँ ऑप्शन बी मॉन्टेस्क्यू क्वेश्चन 2 द थियोरी ऑफ राजमंडल और सर्कल ऑफ किंग्स इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ऑप्शन ए कौटिल्य बी शुक्र सी कमांडक डी यज्ञवल्क्य तो आंसर हूँ ऑप्शन ए कौटिल्य क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्क्सिस्ट द ऑप्शन ए स्टेट इज ए क्लास स्ट्रक्चर बी स्टेट इज ए वेलफेयर इंस्टीट्यूशन सी स्टेट इज ए पॉजिटिव गुड डी स्टेट इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ एमांसिपेशन आंसर हो ऑप्शन ए स्टेट इज ए क्लास स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 लिबर्टी मीन्स ऑप्शन ए absence of restraints बी power to do anything C. Freedom to do whatever one likes. D. Presence of opportunity to achieve the fullest development of personality. Answer होची ऑप्शन डी presence of opportunity to achieve the fullest development of personality. Question number 5. Who is the first modern political thinker who deliberately ignores Aristotle? Option A. Bodin B. Hobbes C. Locke. तो आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी Hobbes. Question 6. Montesquieu's theory of separation of powers emphasizes primarily on option A. efficiency B. transparency C. liberty D. accountability. तो आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी liberty. Question number 7. When did the Second World War end? Option A. 1918 B. 1945 C. 1947 D. 1946. आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी 1945. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity were emphasized by option A. Hobbes B. Locke C. Montesquieu D. Rousseau. आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी Rousseau. Question number 9. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by option A. Jawaharlal Nehru बी महात्मा गांधी सी डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर डी एम एन रॉय आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी एम एन रॉय क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 द ऑफिस ऑफ गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वाज क्रिएटेड बाय ऑप्शन ए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1858 ऑप्शन बी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 सी चार्टर एक्ट 1813 डी चार्टर एक्ट 1833 आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी चार्टर एक्ट 1833. Question number 11. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? Option A. Directive principles B. Preamble to the Constitution C. 9th schedule D. Fundamental rights. Answer is option B. Preamble to the Constitution. Question number 12. The Union President can directly disallow a state legislation. Option A. In case of bills reserved by the governor for president's assent. B. In case of any bill. C. In case of money bills. D. Both B and C above. Answer is option A. In case of bills reserved by the governor for president's assent. Question number 13. With reference to the provisions of the Indian Constitution, which of the following is not correct? Option A. No single person can simultaneously act as a governor of two states. B. There is no specific procedure mentioned to remove the governor of a state. C. In a union territory, the lieutenant governor appoints the judges of the High Court. Answer is option C. In a union territory, the lieutenant governor appoints the judges of the High Court. Question number 14. The president nominates 12 members of the Rajya Sabha according to option A. Their role played in political setup of the country. B. The recommendations made by the vice president. C. Their distinction in the field of science, art, literature and social service. Answer is option C. Their distinction in the field of science, art, literature and social service. Question number 15. Sarkaria Commission has been appointed by the Government of India to report on option A. Center-state relations. B. Electoral reforms. C. Interstate conflicts. Answer is option A. Center-state relations. Question number 16. The zonal councils discuss matters relating to option A. Economic and social planning. B. Interstate transport. C. Border disputes. D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 17. Which one of the following comes under the jurisdiction of both the High Court and the Supreme Court? Option A. Protection of the fundamental rights. B. Protection against the violation of the Constitution. C. Disputes between the center and the state. Answer is option A. Protection of the fundamental rights. Question number 18. Which of the following reads is a bulwark of personal freedom? Option A. Mandamus. B. Habeas corpus. C. Quo warranto. Question number answer होची B. Option B. Habeas corpus. Question number 19. In India, political parties are given recognition by option A. Speaker of Lok Sabha. B. President. C. Law Commission. D. Election Commission. The answer is option D. Election Commission. Question 20. The Grama Panchayats are elected by Grama Sabha consisting of option A. Every citizen living in the village. Every adult male living in a village. C. Every farmer of the village. Answer होची option A. Every citizen living in a. Question 1. In the Constitution, opportunities for the development of a scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform are found in option A. Fundamental rights. B. Preamble. C. Directive principle. D. Fundamental duties. Answer is option C. Directive principle. Question 2. Who gave the concept of liberty of ancients and liberty of moderns? Option A. Lasky. B. T.S. Green. C. Benjamin Constant. D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Benjamin Constant. Question 3. Which theory possesses that rights are inalienable? Option A. Legal rights theory. B. Natural rights theory. C. Marxian theory of rights. D. Karl Popper's inalienable school of thought. Answer is option B. Natural rights theory. Question 4. Socialist thinkers usually promote which theory of rights? Option A. Marxist theory of rights. B. Rights of the proletariat. C. Affirmative theory of rights. D. Social welfare theory of rights. Answer होची option D. Social welfare theory of rights. Question 5. In India, we can call dash was first modern state. Option A. Mughal Empire. B. British colonial Indian state. C. Pre-Mughal Afghan and British possession Indian state. Answer is option B. British colonial Indian state. Question 6. Which of the following is not an agent of political socialization? Option A. The family. B. School. C. Mobile. Answer is option C. Mobile. Question 7. Who said political theory is a master science? Option A. Plato. B. Marx. C. Aristotle. D. Rousseau. Answer is option C. Aristotle. Question 8. Who among the following thinkers formulated the concept of positive and negative liability? Option A Hobbes, B Rousseau, C John Locke, D ईसा बर्लिन। आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी ईसा बर्लिन। क्वेश्चन 9 द सोशल वेलफेयर थ्योरी ऑफ राइट्स इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ऑप्शन ए यूटिलिटेरियन, बी मार्क्सिस्ट, सी आइडियलिस्टिक। कोटा आंसर ना ऑप्शन ए यूटिलिटेरियन। क्वेश्चन 10 इन डेमोक्रेसी द फाइनल अथॉरिटी rests with option A people, B parliament, C council of ministers, D civil servants। आंसर हो जाए ऑप्शन ए people। क्वेश्चन 11 विवेकानंद believed in the dash of all religions। ऑप्शन ए equality, B essence, C acceptability, D discrimination। आंसर हो जाए ऑप्शन ए इक्वालिटी। क्वेश्चन 12 द अर्थशास्त्र इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डैश अधिकरणस विथ 180 प्रकरणस। ऑप्शन ए 10, B 20, C 15, D 25। आंसर हो जाए ऑप्शन सी 15 प्रकरण 15 अधिकरण। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 व्हिच पार्लियामेंटरी कमिटी इन इंडिया इज नॉर्मली चेयर्ड बाय ए प्रोमिनेंट मेंबर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन। ऑप्शन ए एस्टिमेट्स कमिटी, बी प्रिविलेजेस कमिटी, सी पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमिटी, डी कमिटी ऑन गवर्नमेंट assurances। आंसर है ऑप्शन सी पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमिटी। क्वेश्चन 14 राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी वाज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स बाय व्हिच अमेंडमेंट। ऑप्शन ए 42nd, बी 14th, सी 39th, डी 44th अमेंडमेंट। आंसर हो ऑप्शन डी 44th अमेंडमेंट। क्वेश्चन 15 The power of judicial review has been conferred on the Supreme Court to check the arbitrary power of the option A executive, B president, C parliament, D council of ministers। आंसर हब ऑप्शन ए executive।